Thank you to FIRMOO for sponsoring this video.
Hello everybody, it's me, Viv. So for today's video, I thought I would do kind of a little day in the life because I wanted to just do some more vlogging style videos, and I felt like filming today, and also because I got some new glasses from FIRMOO, so I wanted to show you guys those. And then also I have a coupon code for those as well, for you to get buy one get one free glasses on FIRMOO online optical store. I've done a video for them before. If you want to go watch it, it's pretty old, but I will link it in a card in the top right hand corner, and you can see Paisley in the background over there. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a little day in my life. Not much is going on today. If you saw the clip earlier, you know that I was eating my breakfast, and now I am watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and I'm going to show you guys the glasses that I got.
No.
Ooh, me and the fries and fish sticks. Oh, I like these. I want mushrooms too.
All this food.
Oh yeah, it is on sale. 4 of them for $2.
What's the tea,
Hot chocolate is
sis?
gone. It was nice.
They look like little eggplants.
Yeah, see, look really nice.
Are they good?
Oh,
they?
maybe. Okay, try it.
Despite their weird shape.
Regular drinks.
Oh.
I'm so happy to see them.
Okay, so this is actually a little bit after I filmed that clip. Ooh, and this is really zoomed in. So I actually went grocery shopping, which I will insert footage of, but now I am back at home wearing a different sweatshirt, but I'm gonna put on my other one because it's my pajamas, and admittedly I do spend the whole day in my pajamas. But yeah, anyways, now let's go and look at these FIRMOO glasses. Okay, so this is basically what you get after you take it out of the packaging. So you get a nice little drawstring bag that says FIRMOO on it, and then you also get this kit full of a screwdriver, screws, and those extra little things that are held are on the glasses to hold it onto your nose, which is really handy just in case it breaks. And I already have these. They work great on other glasses as well. And then it also comes with this little user guide. I don't know why you need a guide for wearing glasses, but yep, that is there. And then here's the glasses itself in the box. So this box looks a little bit different from the one that I have for my other FIRMOO glasses, so I'm assuming that not all of them are the same, but they do kind of have that similar shape. And then they also say FIRMOO on the front. And if we open them up here, I ordered these around Halloween, so I have this really cute little Halloween cleaning cloth thingy. And then these are the glasses themselves. They are a nice gold metal frame with clear lenses. Well, of course they're clear. They are reading glasses. I put my prescription into these, and they also have anti-reflective coating on them. So I will put them on for you guys and show you how they look. I also wore these when I was out grocery shopping, which you will see in the footage as well. So here is how the glasses look on my face. I actually really like these. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like the frame when I picked these out, and originally I had different ones picked out, but my pupil dilation was too small for me to get those lenses without having to pay extra, so I decided to settle on these ones instead. And I actually really like them because all my other glasses are cool toned, so now that I have a nice warm toned glasses, they will pair nicely with those outfits. And yeah, I really like these. They're pretty sturdy for the price that you pay. My other FIRMOO glasses are also kind of like that. They're not, obviously they don't compare to ones that you would get at lens crafters or more high-end stores, but for the price that you pay, these glasses are really good. What I like about FIRMOO is that they have a lot of interesting styles. Not just like those standard like Ray-Ban looking ones or round ones that you see in stores now. They have a lot of cool like geometric shapes with a lot of fun patterns, and like they're clear, translucent, tortoiseshell print, etc. Yeah, and they also have those little things that stick on your nose. So if you are interested in getting some FIRMOO glasses for yourself, I will have a buy one get one free coupon code that will be available for you guys to use. It'll be up on the screen right now. I haven't actually set it up yet, but it will be available for you to use if you use the link on the screen and also in the description box down below. So just for comparison's sake, also if you're wondering what that Halloween cloth looks like completely folded out. It looks like this. So this is the pair of FIRMOO glasses that I got, I think, a couple years ago now. You can see that, yes, the case is indeed different, so every case is unique. And let's pry this bad boy open. So these are the glasses, my trusty little pink glasses. They're a little dirty right now. But yeah, I love FIRMOO glasses. I think they are great. And if you're wondering, the cloth that normally comes with them is just gray and it says FIRMOO on it. So if you're interested in getting glasses for yourself, be sure you check out the link in the description box down below and use my coupon code in case you're interested in getting yourself some glasses from FIRMOO, whether they are prescription reading glasses, sunglasses, or just decorative glasses. So now that I am back from grocery shopping, I think what I'm going to do now is prep for a phone job interview that I have tomorrow, which I'm kind of nervous for. I'm hoping I get it, but I need to do a little bit of preparation for that. And then I also need to do some math homework, and then I will show you guys what I'm having for dinner, because my sister is visiting us home from her university for the weekend. So my mom's making some good food. I think we're having bánh tonight, so that'll be good. It's a Vietnamese dish, which I really like, and I haven't had it in a while. So yeah, I will catch you guys soon.
Hey everyone, so it's me, Vivian, here now from the future. If you can't tell by my voice, I'm a little bit sick, so this video has been a little bit delayed. I filmed that last weekend, and now it is basically the weekend after that I am now uploading this video. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and end the vlog, because you know, if you watched my my Europe vlogs, you'll know that ending the vlog is something that I never do. So I'm doing it now here in front of the camera for you. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you to FIRMOO for sending me these glasses and sponsoring this video. If you're interested in buying some FIRMOO glasses for yourself, don't forget to check out the coupon code in the link in the description box down below. And yeah, if you get a pair, be sure you send me a picture on Instagram. I'd love to see. And if you want to check out my old FIRMOO video, I will link that in a card in the top right hand corner and also in the description box down below as well. So yeah, be sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'm not always active there, but I'm active there most of the time. And yeah, I hope to be posting some more videos soon, but like I said, you can probably tell that I've been a little sick, so I'm hoping that doesn't take much of a toll on my filming. We'll see how all that goes, but yeah, the timer says I've been talking for like a minute now, so I'm gonna wrap this up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching.